If you have Facebook account, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because in this video I will show you on how to stop Facebook from spying your activity right now. Quite a lot of people that have Facebook account does not know this. In this video I will show you how to go about it, and how you can turn off the activity completely from Facebook database. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here, open my Facebook app. Then after you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon from the top side. Click on that and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and the next thing you want to do here is to go to settings and privacy. Click on that, and the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to off Facebook activity. So click on that. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. It's going to take you right here. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to simply click on manage future activity. So it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to switch to disconnect future activity. Click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. Then what you should know, next thing you need to do is to simply click on disconnect future activity. Future activity will be disconnected. Boom. It's as simple as that. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop Facebook from spying your activity across the web. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.